Hi dear friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss how can solve this problem. You can see here on the laptop screen I have a laptop an Acer, and it is write in English. We will translate. If in English it will write here we cannot download in this disk. For this we will find out solution. What is actually problem? We will press shift and F10 and we will see like this window. We need some commands and I have already mentioned all commands in the description. You can check from there. First we will write DiskPart, and after then we will enter in DiskPart and we will write here listdisk, DISK. Yes, then we will enter. You can see here. After then we will enter and commands will show all disk in our laptop. You can see here. And after then we will write here and we will give a command select disk number 0. You can see here we will select 0 disk. I think its command is error because of wrong command. I gave wrong command. We will write again. We will write here select and disk, DISK disk. After then we will write 0. Yes, O, select disk O 0, and you can see here disk 0 is now the select disk. And we will write here clean, 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 and we will enter. You can see here I'm here in front of you and you are seeing everything. And I would like to say I have already mentioned in the description. You can check from in my description also. I have already write all commands in the description, and we will go back on my window screen. You can see here, and here we will click on refresh in this screen in Portuguese or Spanish language. You can see here we will click on refresh, and like this. Yes, we have done. So dear friend, right now we will click on new, and we have create new partition. For new partition we will click on new. You can see here, you will click here. Yes, apply, and we will wait for a moment. And dear friend, if you really like and solve your problem, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. You can watch my another video also, and subscribe my channel please, and click on my architect subscribe the channel. Thank